Hello, good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. I hope your health is good. Outside is cold right now, very cold, and this in cold days. Okay, some of the few question that we have already discussed in revision video. In first part, we have discussed about 3 marks and 1 marks fill in the blanks. Again, in this present offline video we are going to discuss about 2 marks question and 1 marks question, true or false. Okay, very easy to understand, and we will take match the pair also, so you will get the concept of from which chapter what kind of question and how to write. Okay, so without wasting our time we will move further. Okay, so 2 marks question for from chapter number 1 and 2. First question, define resources. So I am going to underline it, some of the few keywords. Resources, everything available in our environment which can be stored and used, or its quality. You can see it, dear students. Okay, here you can clearly see that. And utility, and which becomes our heritage, can be termed as resources. Man categorize these resources on this basis of their characteristics here. Okay, characteristics and utility. In ancient times, dear students, people could not make large use of these resources. As times passed, men learned to make maximum use of these resources. First question, just focus on this. Okay, just read it with your own. Second question, what type of clothes do people of desert region wear and why? Just think about it. What is the atmosphere, what is the temperature, weather situation, condition during the summer season, during the monsoon season in the desert region? So answer, people of desert region wear loose clothes in order to protect themselves from heat and blow of the dust. Also, they wear a turban to protect their head and hair from the dust. To protect their head, and also wear loose pants. Okay, and it is cotton, because in the cotton help us to protect our body from the extreme heat. Okay, next question, which regions are very hot during the summer season? Which regions are very hot during the summer season? You can see it. So here, okay, during the summer season. Why? So that we are going to discuss. So in the summer season, the regions near the Tropic of Cancer, as we have discussed, Tropic of Cancer passing through almost from the middle of Gujarat and middle of India, and the rays of the sun fall straight on this region, and that is why they remain very hot. Okay, few are the keywords that I am going to underline. So the region they are near the Tropic of Cancer, and because of the rays of the sun fall straight on these regions, and that is why they remain very hot during the summer season. Next question, number 4, define climate condition. So climate is an, again I am going to underline it, climate is an average weather condition that exists in an area over a long period of time, and I have given you example during that live class, my dear students. Okay, right now is winter is going on, it lasts almost 3 months at a particular place in Gujarat, in Rajasthan, in some of the mostly part of the North India stays for the they last for few months, and that's why in the proper place of time condition related to climate or weather are called climate conditions, and I have given you examples also, so just write it down in proper way. Next question from chapter number 1. Define Tadpatra. The Tadpatras, two, they are almost 3 feet long palm leaves, and each 3 each broad margins were drawn on 4 sides. Okay, 3 feet long palm leaves and 3 broad, each broad margins were drawn on 4 sides, and then writing for driving was done on them. Okay. Next question. Give a brief introduction of Chowda dynasty. And before that, here you can say that carving, instead of driving it is carving. Okay. Yes, good. Next question. Give a brief introduction of Chowda dynasty. Chowda dynasty ruled over Gujarat during the medieval age. At that time, Anhilpur or Anhilwad Patan was the capital of its kingdom at that time. The Chowdas ruled over Panchasar region, and the king of the Chowda dynasty, the first, was Jai Sikri. So he died in the battle and became martyr. So that we have explained in whole manner how he became martyr and died in the battlefield. So afterwards, his son, who is the son of Jai Sikri? His son Vanraj Chowda regained the ruined kingdom of Chowda dynasty and set up its capital in Anhilwad Patan, so on the banks of river Saraswati. It's believed that Vanraj's friend Anhil, it is not, okay, the Vanraj friend Anhil, we are going to correct it, okay. His friend Anhil helped him regain his father's lost kingdom, dear students. Okay, Anhil helped him to regain his father's lost kingdom, and Vanraj renamed as the capital of his kingdom Patan as Anhilwad Patan. Patan as Anhilwad Patan. So these are the key words that you have to keep remember, you have to note it down, so it will help you for your revision. Very easy to understand. Okay, dear students. Next question that we are going to move, very easy to understand, and that Chowda dynasty ruled almost how many years? 196 years. Next question. So what is medieval age? Which dynasty ruled over Gujarat in the medieval age? In first live class, do remember before the Diwali vacation that we have started, and I have explained with you about the medieval age. So I have divided this word, okay, into two parts. Mid means in between. So in India, the period between 8th to 13th century is known as the early 8th to 13th century is known as early medieval age. Okay, and Rajput ruled during this period, so it is also known as, it is called Rajput age. So dynasties in Gujarat during the medieval age, so mainly they ruled, okay, in Gujarat between 746 CE to 1304 CE. About how many years? About 560 years. So these three dynasties were Chowda dynasty. First one is very important, Chowda dynasty. Okay, Anhilpur Patan, the main capital. Second one is Solanki dynasty, then Vakila dynasty, Chavda, Solanki and Vakila. And Anhilwad Patan was the capital of his kingdom of these dynasties. So this kind of question would be there. Next question, very easy to understand. By what name Anhilwad Patan known as in the reign of Siddharaj Jaisingh? So in the reign of Siddharaj Jaisingh, Patan known as Vidyadham, and it was become the center of education, and it was the main center of education. Okay, just understand it, very easy to understand. Now, dear students, now the second question that we are going to discuss is question number 1b, match the pairs. In examination, I would ask 4, okay, total 8 will be there, okay. So, you have to choose the proper one. So, first, Malav Lake, okay, and the answer is it is situated in, dear students, it is situated in Dhodka, okay. I am going to just show it with proper help, okay. Dhodka, okay. Munsar Lake, it is situated in Viramgad. Then Sahasraling Lake, it is situated in Patan. Sun Temple, it is situated in Modhera. Then Vimlavashi Temple, it is situated in Abu, one of the famous place. Then Kirti Toran, it is situated in, very easy, okay, Vadnagar, okay. Then Kirti Somnath Temple, it is situated in Veravan. Kirti Toran, it is situated in Vadnagar. Then Siddhi Sayan Chadi, it is there in Ahmedabad, world famous Siddhi Sayan Chadi. Okay, from this you can get all the answer very nicely. Okay, so we are going to move further. Now, next question that we are going to discuss is question number 2a, true or false. First, from chapter number 1 and 2. Okay, so in total 3 dynasties ruled in Gujarat for about 560 years. So present statement, yes, that we have just discussed, the present statement is true. Okay, answer is there. All the dynasties that ruled in Gujarat between 746 CE and 1304 CE had their capital at the same place. At the same place, which was the capital of the Chavda, Solanki and Vakila dynasty? And the answer is Anhilwad Patan. So the same capital was there. So the present statement is true. Anhilwad Patan lied near the bank of river. The name of the river refers to the goddesses of prosperity. Yes, river. It is a bank of river Saraswati. It was not prosperity. So, goddesses of Saraswati. So, present statement is false. Mulraj, next question. Mulraj Solanki, Bhimdev, Siddharaj, Harshvardhana, Kumarpal, Jaise, etc. were among the famous brave Rajput rulers. Okay. Harshvardhana, that we have discussed in first semester, my dear students. Then Harshvardhana was not, but Siddharaj Jaisingh, Kumarpal Jaisingh, okay, these are the brave Rajput rulers, but Harshvardhana was not. So the present statement is false. Number 5. Hemchandracharya lived during the reign of Kumarpal. Though Hemchandracharya lived during the reign of Siddharaj Jaisingh. So, and that is why the present statement is false. Next question. Large size of India is one of the reasons for its varied climate. Very, yes, India is very huge, very dense. Okay. country. So that's why we have very varied climate situation in all over India. So the present statement is right. Next, 7 number. India lies above the equator. The present statement is lied above the equator. The present statement is true or false? Yes, the present statement is true. Tropic of Cancer, then equator, and then Tropic of Capricorn. So India is lied about the equator. So present statement is right. Tropic of Cancer makes northern India cold. Yes, the present statement is also true or right. Number 9. India experiences returning monsoon in the month of August and September. No, my dear students, the present statement is not right. It is wrong. Why? India experiences returning monsoon in the month of October and November. Okay? So the present statement is false. Next. The Malabar coast of Kerala receive about 300 centimeter of rain. Yes, this statement is true. And last one is Yamuna is also known as Bhagirathi. Yes, it is, the present statement is false. Okay. So dear students, in this present offline class, in very few minutes, we have discussed about the major question and answer, 2 marks. Then match the pair that we have just discussed, and you have given me the answer. Okay. Then afterwards we have discussed about true or false. So if you have any doubt, any queries regarding to this revision, it will help you. Very easy to understand, very easy to write. The concept is clear. But still, if you have any doubt, any question regarding to this revision of part 2, just call me or message me. So I will try my best to solve your problem as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.